Okay, let me solve the questions one after another and check whether you have thought in the same way or solved in the same way. Okay.
Okay.
So what's the option you have got for the first one?
2h plus 6.
So easy, right?
Yeah.
So B is twice as old as Heidi, and the same B is 6 years younger than Mel. Okay, we need to get M is equals to B plus 6. M is 2H plus 6. So easy,
Yeah.
right?
Yes.
What's the answer for this?
Cannot be determined.
Okay, what are the plugins?
I took 1 and minus 1.
That's it. So x is equals to 1, 7, 5, a greater, x is equals to minus 1. Please remember there is no restrictions given.
Yes.
When there were no restrictions, we can take x values anything you want. When you have more options to plug in, obviously one way or other way both quantities can become equal. A can be greater for some values, B can be greater for some other values. Giving
Yeah.
the result cannot be determined, right?
Yes.
5, 7 cannot be determined. How about this?
B is always great.
You said B for Bombay.
Yes. Yes.
Let's see. So give me the first plugin, your first plugin.
I took 1 and 0.5.
1 and 0.5 extremes,
Yeah.
kind of. Okay. So 1 x is 1, 0.5. Yeah. So its quantity A is 0.5, quantity B is 9, B is greater, so A and C should be eliminated.
Yeah.
Let's take another extreme number. What's the second plugin you took?
I took 9 and 0.75.
Okay, x is equals to, let's say, 9.5. Y is 0.5. What
Okay.
happens now?
Yeah, both are equal.
Equal. 9 and 9. So easy, right?
Yeah.
When you take 9 and 0.5, you should have got the thought.
Yeah.
Okay, answer is D.
Yeah.
Okay. So in the given region, possible, the region of possible values for x and y, and based on the restrictions given, um, for some values of x and y be greater, for some other values both are equal. So
Yeah.
the answer, cannot be determined. The relationship can be determined from the information given. You can't say either A is always greater or B is always greater.
Yeah.
How about this?
I got m plus 26 by 2, so that's option B.
Yeah. So it's a bit confusing for the students whoever wants to, understand accurate meaning, because let me uh, write whatever I see in the question. 11 years ago, let's say current, and also in 4 years. After in 4 years means, kind of after 4 years only, no?
Yeah.
So current, let's say L and M. 11 years ago, L minus 1, M minus 11. L minus 11. So in 4 years, L plus 4 and M plus 4. But the question is actually relating Laurel 11 years ago, this one, right?
Yeah.
Right, buddy?
Yes.
And Mike after 4 years, this one. So the relationship is like 11 years ago, Lauren is half of after 4 years, Mike M plus 4. Correct?
Yeah.
So and asking Lawrence current age. L is equals to 1 by 2 m plus 4 plus 11. Okay.
Yes.
Option B is correct. How about this?
I got quantity A is greater.
Always greater, because when P less than Q, P minus Q is always less than 0, and Q minus P is always greater than 0.
Yeah.
Okay. For a positive number, if you make it 1 by third, definitely its value reduces.
Yes.
If it is a negative number, the value increases.
Yeah.
But it's a positive one, it's always greater, and it has been reduced 1 by third, so A is always greater, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Because Q minus P is always positive. Any doubt?
No, sir.
One. How about this? Which option have you got correct? I mean, which option have you got as an answer?
K plus 6 by 3.
The last one, right?
Yeah.
So sum of three consecutive odd integers, let's say a minus 2, a plus 2. These are my odd integers because in between any two odd integers you can see a gap of 2, right?
Yeah.
So sum consecutive odd integers, the sum is going to be 3a, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. A is equals to k by 3. The greatest is a plus 2. The greatest is a plus 2, which means k by 3 plus 2, k plus 6 by 3. The last one. How about this?
Quantity A is greater.
Again, I think you missed something to get the correct option. Okay. So, what are the plugins you have gone with? What is A? F can be written in terms of G, right? What is F?
F is 3G.
3G. B.
Sorry.
H is equals to
H is 4 into G by 3.
4 plus more than
Oh, yeah, yeah, okay. I took 4
4
into G by
plus G by 3. Give me a plugin, give me a number for G. So what are the restrictions? These costs must always be positive.
3. Yeah.
There should not be any zero, right?
Yeah.
G is equals to, give me a number.
$1.
Okay. 3 plus 4 plus 1 by 3. B is greater, correct?
Yeah.
What are the options should be eliminated when B is correct? B is greater.
A is greater. And A and C.
Uh, Now come up with a plugin which is which can give different result or something.
$3.
3 5, yes, can't we? 9
And 5.
5, yes, that's cool, right?
Yeah.
If you are unable to get the second plugin, if you are unable to get the related thought on the second plugin, just go with, try to equate these two. You
Yeah.
will get a necessary plugin. 3G is equals to 4 plus G by 2. It's a different result, right? A
Yeah.
is equals to B is a different result.
Yeah.
So 3G minus G by 3, 9G minus G, 8G by 3 is equals to 4. G is equals to 3 by 2. For G is equals to 3 by 2, you're gonna get both are equal, right?
Yeah.
9 by 2 and also 9 by 2. So for some values it is B greater, some values A greater, some values. So the right option is
Cannot wait.
The relationship can't be determined. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yeah.